Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. I'm here to announce that we have launched our YouTube channel Concepts Only. This channel is 100% free for students and professionals to clear their concepts. And in this channel, our lectures will be provided by our PhD scholars who are professional in their subjects. And we will do our best to clear your subjects and to solve your problems related to your studies. And all I need is your support. Please support us while subscribing our channel and liking and sharing our videos with your friends. If you have any problem, you can contact us. So it is our request that please support us, and so that we can continue our mission with your support. So please subscribe our channel to stay tuned about our lectures. Inshallah, our team do their best to provide you reliable material. And thanks for watching our video. See you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.